So here's a quick video on a workaround for that maintenance screen problem. So when you start the car, or even just turn it to the on position, your VLine screen comes up. And if you want it to go away, you press disc aux one time. Now it says DVD changer. And it'll start playing music from your DVD if you have DVD in place. Then you press the info button and you're going to see the screen come up like this. But when you go to press it, it's going to get mad at you. It's going to come up with a warning screen. You got to wait for that to go away. Then you see the standard screen and you press your info button again. And now you can press maintenance. And everything comes up and works just like you expect it to. Hope this helps.